This is Texas 132, and this is a tutorial for this small Lego armchair. First, take a 2x4 plate and a 1x4 plate. Put them in front of each other like this. Take a 1x2, put it on the front here so that it locks the plates together. A second 1x2 plate on top of the first, and then a tile on top of that. Do the same similarly for the right side. Dirt on that brick, sorry. Now your two plates are locked together. Take a 1x4 brick, put it on the back. Take two 1x4 plates, put them on top of the 1x4 brick. This is for the back of the chair. Take a 1x2 plate and put it in the center. And two of these 1x2 sloped brick things. Not exactly sure what they're called. Slopey things. Put them on the top to round off the top of the chair. Then take 4 studs, put them on the bottom for feet. Try not to drop any on the floor, like I almost did. Now you have a very simple Lego armchair, which works for any minifigure, and even the hair fits, so I can sit back perfectly. So, thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.